Quick and easy baked paccheri. A winning dish. Let's make them together. Chop the onion. Pour the oil into a pan. Add the onion and saute for a few minutes. Add the tomato puree and cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the paccheri in salted water. Drain them al dente and put them in the sauce. Mix in some of the bechamel and Parmesan cheese and stir again. Pour half of the pasta into a baking dish. Make a layer of mozzarella. Cover with the remaining pasta. Add more mozzarella, bechamel, and Parmesan cheese. Bake in a preheated static oven at 200 C for about 45 minutes. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.